finally guys, dumating na aking pinaka-aantay na Harry Potter edition ng Redmi Note 12 Turbo. And this is a collector's item na probably every Harry Potter fans should have. And in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang unboxing experience nitong phone na ito together with this one, ang Harry Potter na Redmi Buds 4 Special Edition. So tara, simulan natin. So hi guys, ako pa si Rich for the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll be purely unboxing itong Redmi Note 12 Turbo na Harry Potter Edition together with the Harry Potter Edition na Redmi Buds 4. So ayan guys, papakita ko na sa inyo right now an unboxing experience ko with the Harry Potter Edition ng Redmi Note 12 Turbo and of course the Harry Potter Edition na Redmi Buds 4 in collaboration with Xiaomi. So let's start off with this one. Kita natin the box, ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya. And it's really magical to have something like this. And it's definitely something worth keeping if you're a Harry Potter fan. So itong box na ito, pag nilagay niyo mo yung collection, well, it should stand out. So ito ang itsura nitong box niya. So take a quick look around. Sa ibabaw. And sa ilalim. So all you need to do is just pull this one out para makita nyo. Oh, nice. Harry Potter. Redmi Buds 4 Special Edition featuring Harry Potter. And makita natin yung team niya, no? Hogwarts. Okay. Inside this one, we have, natin itong cable niya is especially marked na Hogwarts na USB Type-C cable. Minsan lang yung ganon. Then together, meron siya isang strap na may gold ring. And of course, meron siyang user guide. Talagang ginawa niya just for this one. And of course, some stickers. Meron pa nga siya isang small box dito that contains the extra tips. So, eto na. Harry Potter. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-print dito. And meron siyang gold linings dito. Which nagpapaganda. Harry Potter, then Redmi na logo. Then this is the reset button and pairing button. Yan, pagbukas natin. Wow, it's so magical. Ito na yung kidlat niya, no? It's very Harry Potter na design. Definitely looks great. Itong buds ni Redmi Buds 4 Harry Potter Edition. And sa ilalim, of course, andyan ang kanyang Type-C port. Pag binunot natin, this is how it looks like. And ang kabilang buds. So let's further check kung there's other things inside. Uy, meron siyang lalagyan. This looks nice. Ooh. Ganda, oh. So this one is a very nice carrying case. So dito na kakabit itong ring na ito para magkaroon siya ng, well, strap sa inyong kamay. And ang finish na is very nice. Leather finish. So right now, i-unbox na natin yung phone. So yan guys, finally the one you're waiting for, the Harry Potter na Redmi Note 12 Turbo Edition. So i-slide down lang natin to. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-print. It's definitely a collector's item. And kita niyo yung mga logo na ito. No? Probably if you're a Harry Potter fan, you know what this is. And ang kanyang default na storage is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Ito ang print niya sa likod. And on the other side. Mukha siyang libro. Ito yung itsura niya on top, and ito yung itsura niya on the bottom. Kita natin, meron siyang sulat dito, may letter. And dito, there's a special na SIM ejector pin made for just this collaboration. Tanggalin natin. And here is the phone itself. Oh, nice. Ayan, tinanggal na natin ang plastic so we can see this is the Harry Potter edition ng Redmi Note 12 Turbo. It looks really nice. And kita natin yung kanyang logo. And we have the Harry Potter print dito sa likod. Wizarding World. And of course, nakasunod the Redmi Special Limited Edition powered by Redmi. But before that, tingnan muna natin what's other things inside the box. So let's start off with itong letter. So ang ganda niya, may stamp pa siya. Landaan natin buksan. It's kind of sticky. Nakasulat dito, first year student will require So meron pa siya mga special note dito. Galing pa to sa Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Ang kanyang headmaster si Albus Dumbledore. And ito ang Chinese translation niya. So tingnan natin this one. Ganda talaga ng pagka-craft niya dito. Inside we have the 67 watts na fast charger ni Xiaomi together with this Type-C cable. There's another box here. We have some stickers then over here. And a special case ni Harry Potter. Looks nice. And lastly, meron pa siya isang paper dito na mukhang mapa. So, pasyalin ko lang kayo dito sa phone na ito. We have your 64MP na triple camera lens dito sa likod. So, sa ilalim, meron siya loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone and of course, kanyang SIM tray. And gamitin natin kanyang special pin to eject. And kita natin, it only supports dalawang 5G SIM. Walang expansion. This side is pretty clean. And good news, sa ibaba, nandiyan pa kanyang audio jack, another loudspeaker, noise cancelling mic, of course, IR blaster. Then on the other side, kanyang volume rocker, and of course, your power button / fingerprint scanner pala. And when you boot up, this is how it looks like. Ooh. Nice animation. Swipe. Yeah, kita natin, that's the theme. Makita natin. And kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano ko nilagay itong Play Store, I'll be putting it on my full review. So guys, if you're interested to buy this one, nabili ko to sa Shandy Masangkay for the special edition na Harry Potter Redmi Note 12 Turbo. So ayan guys, nakita nyo na unboxing experience nitong Redmi Note 12 Turbo na Harry Potter edition together with the Redmi Buds 4 of this same edition. So this is definitely a collector's item. And if you're a super fan of Harry Potter, definitely you should not miss itong special edition na nilabas si Xiaomi together with Harry Potter for the Redmi Buds 4 and the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. So guys, don't forget to check back for my full user experience ng Redmi Buds 4 and the Redmi Note 12 Turbo on my next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.